Homemade cheeseburger recipe, juicy and delicious. Hey everyone, welcome back to our multi-recipe and cookeries channel. Today, we're going to show you how to make the most delicious homemade cheeseburger. This classic favorite is perfect for satisfying your cravings, and the best part is that you can customize it just the way you like it. So, let's jump right into the recipe. 1 pound ground beef, 80% lean, 20% fat. Salt and pepper to taste. 4 hamburger buns. 4 slices of your favorite cheese, cheddar, American, Swiss, etc. Lettuce leaves. Sliced tomatoes. Sliced onions. Ketchup and mustard. Mayonnaise. Butter or oil for cooking. Preparation Step 1. Start by taking the ground beef out of the refrigerator and allowing it to come to room temperature for about 15 to 20 minutes. This ensures even cooking. Step 2. While the beef is coming to room temperature, prepare the other ingredients such as lettuce, tomatoes, onions, and cheese slices. Divide the ground beef into 4 equal portions, about 1/4 pound each. Gently shape each portion into a patty, being careful not to overwork the meat. Season both sides with salt and pepper. Step 3. Preheat a skillet or grill pan over medium-high heat. Add a little butter or oil to the skillet or grill to prevent sticking. Don't press down on the patties while cooking, this helps keep them juicy. Flip the patties using a spatula and cook for an additional 3 to 4 minutes for medium rare, or adjust the time for your preferred level of doneness. During the last minute of cooking, add a slice of cheese to each patty and cover the skillet or grill to allow the cheese to melt. Step 4. While the patties are cooking, slice the hamburger buns in half. Lightly butter the cut sides of the buns and place them on the skillet or grill to toast until they are golden brown. Step 5. Once the patties are cooked and the cheese is melted, remove them from the skillet or grill. To assemble the burgers, start by spreading a thin layer of mayonnaise, ketchup, and mustard on the bottom half of each toasted bun. Place a lettuce leaf on top of the sauce, followed by the cooked patty with melted cheese. Add sliced tomatoes, onions, and pickles if desired. Place the top half of the bun on the veggies to complete the burger. Step 6. Your homemade cheeseburgers are now ready to be enjoyed. Serve them with your favorite side dishes and dig in. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. There you have it, folks. A mouth-watering homemade cheeseburger that's sure to satisfy your cravings. The combination of juicy beef, melted cheese, fresh veggies, and the perfect bun makes for a truly delightful meal. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes like this. Taste it. Thank you.